Do you not get the concept?
Guys, it is now 12:14 a.m. Sunday morning, and the girl just finished editing a vlog for y'all, so I want y'all to head on over and check out the vlogs, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. I'm going to my bed.
God is good. God is good. God is great. Let us thank Him for our faith. Amen.
God indicts the Israelites, and He says, "You are robbing me." So I don't know that any of us here would take kindly to God saying, "You're robbing me." And I'm gonna say it because I think the text is about that. We find at first a declaration of God. And this declaration is of great importance.
Are you okay?
the garage. Yeah, man, we can see it already.
Everything. Happy Sunday, guys. It's Sunday evening. Why this looks so blurry? It's Sunday evening and we're heading out for a little snackery up for the boys for school tomorrow. They're gonna go and get a little trim as well, and I'll hurry up and so I can grab it in the supermarket because it's pretty late. Yes, supermarket almost closed. And don't worry, I won't be doing any supermarket vlogs because you know the haters gonna hate, right? And the haters gonna hate on the supermarket vlog. I don't know why, but yeah, catch you guys when we get there. And as I said, it's a quick move, quick move. So yeah. Okay guys, so the boys are off. I went to get a little trim as I mentioned before. Do a little quick spray up. Oh my god, like the parking lot is a mess. But so it go when you're late. Like all the late bug people them who come supermarket just as it's about to close, only need to do better. Myself included. Alright, windows up. Oh my god, lucky thing my checking a call. See the boy them leave the window them down. Alright, let's go and grab a couple things. Little things? Yeah. So guys, here I am picking up my usual Nestle with the mini marshmallows, but then I saw this Swiss Miss in peppermint and salted caramel and I'm like, should I really try this? I mean, it's giving, but I don't know. Let me know if you guys have tried it before. So of course we get Inja beef burgers. Guys, I'm torn between Kendall coconut milk or Grace. I've tried both before. Let me see the Kendall. So I'm gonna get 2 Kendall and 1 Grace, but let me know if you're a Kendall fan or if you're a Grace girly. Who else have coconut milk? I just Grace and Kendall. Oh, Eve have coconut milk too. Lasco, everybody have coconut milk. Caribbean Dreams. And this just goes to show you that, you know, the pie is there for everyone. So never be afraid to put yourself out there because look how many brands are on the shelf and all of them are selling, guys. Do that info what you must. So guys, in a bid to, you know, live a healthier lifestyle, we have been trying these sparkling ice, and they have it in grapefruit, coconut, pineapple, and kiwi strawberry. This is my personal fave, and this is no way in shape or form an ad, but I've been loving them. They also have black raspberry. I've never seen this one before, so I'm gonna see if we can test out, do a little taste test. The girl was just peeping at me. I should see me a vlog. So I'm gonna do a little taste test. I'm gonna pick 2. I'm gonna pick the grapefruit and the one I've never tried, which is the black raspberry. So I'm gonna get the black raspberry as well and try them out for you guys. But yeah, it says it has 0 sugar. So it's 0 sugar with vitamins and antioxidants. So if you guys have tried this before, let me know what you think. I love them personally. So I always have to pick up a few. So I have 2 more things I have to pick up. Aloe vera. Nah, I don't like the taste of that. But I have 2 more things I have to pick up and then I'm out. Beep beep beep. Guys, the lines are backed up. I'm literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in line to cash. And the shutters are closed, so you know what that means. This is why I don't come to the supermarkets at closing time, because only 2 lines are working and you don't want to see the crowd, so it's gonna be a while. So yeah, hopefully boy them done trim soon and we can go grab them and we can go back home because I have so much work to do. You're drunk in this place and it's nice art of it. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Mr. Guys, 1 Ipa pasta. Like literally I'm gonna go in the supermarket. So I was done cashing, right? Ready to go. Ready to run my card. Well, it's not my card, it's Jason's card. And they're like, the person has to be here to run the card or whatever. I mean, certain places do have that policy, but once you can show like identification, because I had his entire wallet with me and I showed them his ID and they're like, oh no, they can't do that, yada yada yada, because people are running other people's card. Like that part I get, but imagine I stole somebody's wallet and I'm brazen enough to come and run it somewhere. Mind you, I need the pin to run the card. So we asked him, hold up the man, take him pin, take him wallet, as some bad. Either way, I call him and then eventually sort it out and then make me run the card. But I'm like, is it that serious? Like, I guess it is, but is it that serious? Maybe I could have found his wallet with his card and everything. But you know what's so disheartening is the fact that I come to the supermarket, or we come to the supermarket every single week. Like, we know most of the cashiers in there, and I guess policy is policy, but like, come on, that's just very disheartening as a customer. I have my shopper's fare card. It ain't that serious, guys. So as a result, I was in there longer than I was supposed to be after closing hours, and like the cashier is like, oh no, I'm go home, like just run the card, no man, and I could go through. So yeah, guys, that was a whole hold up. Finally out, starving. I have everything with me. Do I? I have water. Crap, I never leave the water with the boys. They should be done trimming by now, so let's go and pick them up and then we can head home. I'm gonna pack out them stuff here tonight. Somebody have to pack them out for me. But your girl is beat. Can I go this way? I mean, I really care at this point, you know. I'm pissed. I'm pissed, right? Pissed. Okay, guys, bye. Boys are done trimming. The job is done. Let's see.
Wait, let me know what that hair ball.
Let me see your haircut, Johnny.
Yeah?
It's shine though. No, sir. All done. Let's go.
Do you want me to take this one?
Oh my God! I wanna have candy in the car door.
Give me.
Javi, this belong to you?
Yes. And grandma gave it to me.
Okay. So sit back, seatbelts. So we're making a quick little stop at the ice cream parlor. Pull, baby, pull. Go. Go, Javi. Thank you, my strong young man. Come. Thank you.
I want ice cream. I'm not going to do Frank wanted to do the blue flavor.
You don't sell icicles?
Blue flavor.
Wait, give me a second. You have icicles? Yeah. Right. Jameer got his.
Yummy.
20. I need $20.
20?
Yes.
You have it. You have 100.
Yeah, but you need change. A change you want, baby. That's right. So getting, what is it? This is the Cookie Monster one. The blue one that I gave you. Oh, blueberry swirl. So we got blueberry swirl, getting pistachio, thank you, and coffee rum. Cheers, my love. Cheers. Boys, you wanna help mommy pack all of this stuff? So guys, I have a lot of packing away to do. As you can see, I got 2 bags of snacks, basically 2 bags of snacks. Not just in them bag here, but snacks. And then I also have these containers here drying. They should be dried by now. So I'm gonna go ahead and refill all of these. Right? So yeah, wish your girl luck, because this is gonna take me some time. But yeah, let's get into it. And as you can see, 2 little snacks came up to 18 grand. Tell me now, in what world? Right? In what world? So I'm telling you, I'm unsubscribing from Jamaica Premium Package. Unsubscribing, man. Now, what is this? We also have some pancake mix, cereal, flour, and rice. I'm just gonna go ahead and pack these away, and that should be it. What else am I missing? I don't know what's missing, guys. Comment and let me know what you think is missing from the lineup. I need to add the labels to these. I just can't remember where I put the labels. And guys, these labels are washer safe. I washed them with soap and they didn't move at all. Once the marker is dried, it's gonna stay on there, so you don't have to worry about, you know, getting it wet or anything. So yeah, they're still going strong. Love them. They're very sturdy, and if you need the link to these, they'll be in my description down below. So yeah, check the link down below, guys. So guys, that is it for me for tonight. I've packed away all the stuff. I have done a little cleaning, and I am going to go ahead and prepare, well, help the boys to prepare their stuff for school tomorrow. They're gonna get their shoes and like clean them and stuff, pack their bags and just prepare. So tomorrow we're not in a rush. Tomorrow we're not scrambling looking for things to get ready, because if we do that then we're gonna be late. Okay, so we have to do a little night prep. Come and say hi. Hi. Found the shoes. Him can't find him school shoes. This is what I'm talking about. So let's see if we can help him look for it. But Chavi, is either the shoes in the room or in the garage? It has to be either or. So yeah guys, that's a pre for the rest of the night. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it to the end of the video, I want you to go ahead and comment some stars or a moon or anything that signifies nighttime. I do hope that you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll catch you guys when I catch you. All right, bye.